adventure and imagination, the violin that played pictures. In the small town of Harmonyville, nestled between rolling green hills, lived a peculiar little girl named Mira. Her home was an old, ivy-covered house, full of secrets that waited to be discovered. One sunny Sunday morning, Mira stumbled upon an ancient violin hidden deep within her attic. With the violin under her arm, Mira excitedly made her way to the town square, where the weekly market was held. The vibrant colors of fruits, vegetables, and flowers filled the air as she walked through the crowd. When she arrived at her favorite stall, run by Mr. Greenleaf, a wise old man with a twinkle in his eye, he asked Mira what she had found. Mr. Greenleaf listened intently as Mira shared her discovery. He smiled, intrigued by the girl's enthusiasm. Recalling an old legend whispered by his grandmother, he warned Mira that the violin was said to be enchanted and could play pictures of the past. With a mischievous twinkle in her eyes, Mira decided she had to find out for herself. That evening, with a newfound determination, Mira retreated to her attic and practiced playing the violin. The notes danced through the room, echoing off the walls. To her surprise, as she played, swirling colors began to appear on the wall in front of her. As Mira continued to play, the magical images grew more elaborate. A majestic castle with towers reaching towards the sky, an enchanted forest teeming with fantastical creatures, and even underwater scenes filled with shimmering fish. Each day she eagerly awaited her next musical adventure. One day, while playing the violin, Mira noticed a strange scene begin to take shape. It was a picture of Harmonyville, but everything seemed off. The market square was empty and the houses were old and run down. Confused and saddened, Mira continued to watch as the image unfolded. As Mira watched the sad scene unfold, she heard her grandmother's voice whispering in her ear, "You must find the heart and soul of Harmonyville to restore its beauty." With new determination, Mira set out on a quest to find the missing pieces of her town. Mira journeyed through magical lands, meeting fantastical creatures and overcoming obstacles along the way. She visited a wise owl who helped her decipher an ancient map, a mischievous fairy who granted her powers of invisibility, and even battled a fearsome dragon to retrieve a lost artifact. Finally, after many adventures and trials, Mira returned to Harmonyville. She carried with her the missing pieces of her town, the forgotten laughter, the sparkling river, and the vibrant colors that had once filled its streets. With each piece in place, the magical images from her violin began to change. As Mira played the final notes on her violin, the town's magic was restored. The market square was once again filled with vendors, children laughed and played, and flowers bloomed throughout the streets. The people of Harmonyville marveled at their young hero, forever grateful for the magical power that brought them back together. From that day on, Mira was known as the protector and guardian of Harmonyville. She spent every waking moment ensuring the happiness and prosperity of her beloved town, using her magical violin to bring joy and wonder to all who lived there. Together with her newfound friends, both human and magical, Mira celebrated the restored beauty of Harmonyville. As they danced and laughed beneath the stars, the enchanting melody from her violin filled the air. The people of Harmonyville knew that they would never forget the little girl who brought magic back to their town.